Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about Mailgun SMTP API. So you can see the pricing. It's very easy to configure in a landing email. So let me just show you. So once you sign up, this is how it looks, the dashboard of Mailgun. You have to verify the email first before you can start sending emails. Then you have to add custom domain, which is your domain. So let me select this. Okay, so once I've added the domain, it will give me the technical values which I have to put in my DNS editor in my domain, which is nuraz.com. You can use multiple domains, and I would recommend you to use one domain for creating 5 business email accounts, which is 5 SMTPs. So I have selected nuraz.com. So let me just put the details which is given by the Mailgun. Okay, let me copy this, paste it over here, the test value, paste it here. Yeah, it's done. So let me copy the remaining values which comes under TST type. Let me select the type as TST, and it would be same. So I have just left that as @ and let me just save this. Yeah, so the next records are MX records. Let me go over here, search for MX. Yeah, because it's same, so I will let it out as @ itself. Okay, then priority will be 10. Yeah, it's done. Same MX record, and yeah, this one, let me copy this. Okay, just follow the same steps, guys. If you have if you are using the Mailgun or whatever I have showed in the previous videos as well, just follow the same what I have followed. Yeah, so let me copy this records as well, paste it over here. Okay, so everything is done, so I will just verify it. I think we are good to go. Yeah, everything is verified, guys. So once it's done, let's create an API. We'll put landing email. We'll just name this as landing email Nuraz. We'll create the key. We'll copy this. I would recommend you to save this key, and you can use just once. Okay, guys, and it will be visible only once. Then get back to the landing email, select the sending server, and select the new server. Come to the Mailgun API, select this one, and put the API key, the domain. The domain is nuraz.com, and the region which I have selected is global, right? Let me just properly put the domain name. Yeah, US. Yeah, US global server. Let me save this. See, guys, it's done. We have connected the Mailgun API. See if it works for you. If according to this pricing, then I would say go with Mailgun. See, whichever SMTP I have shown you in the previous videos and even this video, you can try any of it. All the SMTPs we have verified, we have used, then only we are showing over here. So I would recommend you to use any of the SMTPs in this playlist. In this playlist I have showed many SMTPs, guys. Okay, see, the mail is not going because I told you, right? First you have to verify the Mailgun verification email. So once you are done, it's good to go. This is all about today's videos, guys. Thank you.